pretty inspiring indeed, that amazing total. Ted is in now. We really enjoyed mild weather over the last 2 weeks of the holiday season, and maybe that helped to boost the giving there.
Yeah, oh yeah, absolutely. I can imagine. I mean, people out and about and not having to dodge snowflakes or the raw winds or dart in and out of buildings. People will, stand around and enjoy some of the relative warmth, the comfortable stuff as well. Some of that sunshine. We had some of that yesterday. This morning we've had plenty of sun. Time lapse for this morning. Here's our Lewis Donato live camera. Looking back at the last couple of hours, filtered sun. Now we see the clouds slowly increasing for west-east, so we'll have to face that moving forward to the rest of the day. Filtered sun. Maybe by even a couple of flurries, but that's about it. Temperature is still incredibly comfortable for this time of the year, and just a slight breeze out there looking southward. Now live with our Lewis Donato camera from downtown Rochester. Filtered sunshine, cloud cover moving in. Little activity trying to work its way, and this is kind of falling apart as it does so, but there's some energy to the west that's going to eventually bring possibly some flurries to the area. But surface observations featuring at least partly sunny skies across the area. None of those snowflakes that we're seeing on radar yet reaching the ground anyway. Dew point only 23, so pretty dry air in place. 34 the temperature. A slight breeze. The winds have dropped off the last hour or two, so the wind chill 26. Air pressure falling right now. Barometer 30.11. Temperatures across the map really comfortable for this time of the year, considering the average high is 23. We typically start the day in the single digits. We started in the 20s. How many times have we said something like that this winter? We started at a mild level. We've added on to it since then, and we've done well today. 34 Rochester, Austin 36. It's 31 in Osage. Fantastic mild weather, unless you're looking for snow or you're looking for really cold weather. Probably pretty happy with this. Pretty quiet weather day too. A mild Monday. Temperatures over the next few days a little bit colder. We'll have some snow showers or flurries tonight. Nothing major there. And then Thursday, chance of rain. Maybe a little snow thrown in as well. But high-res futurecast tracking the possibility of some light precipitation in the area. Some sprinkles working their way in for the west, getting into some colder air loft. So we start seeing more of a change over to flurries. But that's just dying out by evening. So a few snowflakes, but that's about it. That'll be later in the evening. Until then, increasing cloud cover, a slight breeze. Daytime temperatures mid and upper 30s across the map, staying into the 30s all the way until about midnight and dipping back into the 20s eventually. And that's where we'll stay for the next couple of days. We do have some flurries coming in for the west. Clouds for a time tomorrow as the storm system and its cold front get a bit closer. Gustier winds will have a period or two of cloud cover tomorrow, especially early on the afternoon. Blustery and raw highs in the mid-20s. Temperatures actually fall a few degrees with those gusty winds out of the west and the northwest up to 25, 28 miles per hour. So not quite as peaceful or as comfortable as today, but still not a terrible day. And then cold high pressure tomorrow night. We'll have single-digit overnight lows, the coldest night of the week. Tomorrow night into Wednesday morning. High clouds come in for Wednesday, and then eventually as the storm system approaches to the west, that will be the one brings a chance a little bit of rain and maybe some wet snowflakes. But at this point, not a major snow-making system, certainly. Longer term, looking down the road beyond the next week or so, colder than average weather is looking to maybe work its way back in. So beyond the next week, we're talking toward the following weekend, then we might have some pretty cold stuff. But the next 7 days, temperatures at or above the seasonal average, a lot of 20s and even a shot or two at 30 over the next few days. 35 today in Zumbrota. Preston 35, 37 in Charles City, Cresco 36 with filtered sunshine and that slight southwest breeze around 10 to 15 miles per hour. Light flurries or snow showers tonight with a brisk west breeze, 20 overnight. Tomorrow 26. Kind of a windy day, though, with winds up to 25, 28 miles per hour. Some rain and a little wet snow on Thursday, and maybe a little coating of snow Sunday and next Monday. But through the next 7 days, at least temperatures look pretty good. Maybe longer term, something colder, but at least for the time being, we're doing well with more of that stuff we've been getting used to. Really mild, quiet weather.
And it is always great when we have a mild Monday.
That's right. It makes the week so much easier to move into. Yeah.
Sure does. Thank you, Ted.